Chat PDF. How innocent are you? No? No? Chat PDF. Hindi chat GPT, chat PDF. Hanap tayo ng ito. Linguistic diversity. So, i-upload mo sa chat PDF. Ayan. Siya. Tapos, sabihin mo, tabulate the important points of this reference. Tabulate niya yan. Laka. Tapos yung table 1 mo na yan. No? Do this in your literature review. So, for example, what is the main method of the article? Yeah, 2 PDF per day. No? Pero kung mayaman kayo, yan. So, iano niya sa inyo. Ano yung main methods niya? Historical analysis, social linguistic examination, media study. I am not teaching you to be lazy. No? I'm teaching you to be efficient. No? Okay?